Today, I'm going to tell you one small story which my mom used to tell me. Once, there were six co-sisters who were happily living together. They had divided their household chores among themselves and coordinate with each other in a friendly manner. The first co-sister keeps the house clean and maintains the house. The second co-sister cooks the dishes. The third co-sister cuts the vegetables and arranges the meals. The fourth co-sister washes the laundry. The fifth co-sister mops the house. And the youngest and the sixth co-sister cleans the vessels. One day, the sixth co-sister thought of finishing her duties quickly and get relaxed. So after the third sister arranged the meals, she could not wait further anymore. She disposed of the food and cleaned the vessels before the family had their meals. The result is no meals that day. Now I will tell you one shloka, shloka 42 of chapter 10 from Bhagavad Gita, and see what's the significance of the story in relation to the shloka. The shloka goes like this. Athava bahunetena kim jnatena tava arjuna vishtabhyaham krutsnam ekamshena sthito jagat. Let's see the meaning of each word. Athava, rather, bahuna, through many examples or with many examples. Etena, these. Kim, why, for what. Jnatena, having known. Tava, by you. Vishtabhya, pervading. Aham, I. Idam, this. Kritsnam, entire. Ekamshena, by one portion or by single effulgence. Sthita, and situated. Jagat, world or creation. This shloka is from Vibhuti Yoga, where Krishna explains all his main Vibhutis to Arjuna. After explaining the Vibhutis, he further ascertains in this shloka about his effulgence. Like this, Arjuna, by knowing all these forms, understand that I pervade the entire universe with my single effulgence, with one portion of my energy. How our hands and legs are not separate from our body, how the blood and air pervade the entire body. God pervades the entire universe in each and every atom. If we feel we are separate and work in silos, the purpose of our life is defeated. We are all one. The one is pervaded in all. See him in each and every creation. Until we realize this wonder, we would continue in this beautiful life cycle.